Now I will show you how to use this dashboard, and I guarantee you using this dashboard you will make video super quick and super easy. And from this dashboard you can change the color of any shape, change any shape, that means hexagon to any shape, add 13 animation to hexagon, speed up animation, import data, delete card blocks, everything. So first I show you, this is the PowerPoint template. This is for slide 1 and slide 2. It consists of a 2 slide. I will show you first. This is the template. This is the card. This is the 1 card, 4 card, and this is the animation of a hexagon. This is the animation of a graphic. Okay, everything will be changed from this dashboard. And this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. Import data to the block, change shape, color, resize font and color, change steps. So I will show you everything. Okay, now if you want to change the color of this hexagon shape, so go to dashboard. Here is this is the clear instructions how to do this. It's very simple. Okay, now click the change shape color. It turns into green color, that means program run. Then go to presentations. There is a dialog box and you can control from here everything. Okay, first remember, first thing is card or block. This is the 30 blocks or cards presentation, and it will select a default. Then this is the and this is the rectangular top, this is rectangle middle, and this is rectangle bottom, and this is hexagon shape. There is a 4 shape. You can see rectangle top, rectangle middle, rectangle bottom, and hexagon. I want to change the color of hexagon. You can change any shape color hexagon. Okay, now I want to give and enter the RGB value. So every color has a RGB value: red, green, and blue. For black it's 000, and for white 255, 255, 255. Now I want to make it blue, 0, and blue 200. Okay, hit the submit button. Okay, exit. It will change all the color of the hexagon to blue color. It's so simple, so easy. Now if you want to change to previous color, just simply undo this. Okay, now I will show you, this is change shape color. You can resize font. Now I will show you resize font and color. Hit this. Now if you want to change this font color, okay, that means a text box color. Now select text box. I want to change the color of this OW owl. Okay, this is the text box rectangle middle. This is called text box rectangle middle. Select this block number, enter the correct box number, it's 30. And font style, you can change the font style here. You can enter the name of the font style, and font size, it's the maximum size for this selected sync text on overflow. If you want to make it bigger, then change to auto fit and increase the size also. Okay, bold, you can make it bold or normal. Yes, color, this is black, that's why it is 0, all 0. If I want to make it red, something reddish, green 10, blue 10. Okay, now if I hit the submit button, the color will be changed from black to reddish. Okay, it's clearly seen, all the color of the text changed. So you can control everything, every font. You can change the color of the this, or you can change the font style, font color, font size, everything. Now I'll show you change the shape. How to change any shape? If you want to change the shape, this block, this block, this block, or hexagon, how to change? It's simple. First, go to selection pane. So there is, and now insert shape. I insert shape. You can insert any shape from this menu. That is the PowerPoint shape. Okay. Now I want to change it a star, 12 point star. So insert, and remember one thing, when I insert, I press the shift key, so it will be concentric or equal size. Okay, so pressing the shift key and drag this. Now keep and check it properly fitted in the box. Okay, now it's properly fit, or you can change the little bit smaller, but it's okay. Keep here. Now shape outline, I give it a white color, and weight this is, and color I can make it this color. This will be great. No, I'll give this color, blue accent. Okay, now this shape will be replace all the hexagon shape. Okay, so first select this shape, go to dashboard. It's very simple. Change shape one, step 1. Go to PowerPoint, click OK. Okay, now which shape you want to replace? This is the hexagon shape. Now if you see, it's not selected the hexagon shape, it select the group. You can see from here, this is select the group. I want to select the hexagon one, so click it. Now it's select the hexagon. Okay, now go to dashboard, hit the change step 2. Everything will be written here. It's clear instructions, don't worry. Go to presentation. Okay, shapes change successfully. Now all the presentations, all the hexagon shape in this presentation changed to star. Now this is quite looking bad. No, I'll change it from, I can change from the dialog dashboard. I have shifted down this text box, I move down, and this text box I want, I will do move up. Okay, so now go to the text box, a dashboard, sorry, dashboard. There is a how to move text box, graphic or image also, up and down. Text box move up down. Go to presentations. This called text box hexa top. This is called text box hexa top, text box hexa middle, text box hexa bottom. I want to move down, so I select text box hexa top. Okay, number of cards blocks 30. Okay, it's a 30 block presentation, and please enter positive value to move down and negative value to move up. I want to move down, so I have to enter the positive value, and value will be in centimeter. 1 is equal to, so I want to move down 1 centimeter. Okay, move down, hit the submit, it's down. Okay, and I want to move up this probability. This is text box hexagon bottom, move up 1, but I want to make a negative. Submit, it will move up. So you can easily do everything. Okay, now see the animation here. I want to change the animation also. See the animation here. This is a Grotan animations. Okay, see the animation here. You can change the animation here, this animation also. So this is a Grotan animation. Now go to dashboard, and there is a add animation to hexagon. Click that. Now there is a 13 animations. and all the duration or default duration, and it's optimum. Don't change it, it's optimum value. And I want to spinner, give it spinner, duration automatically selected, number of card box 30, submit. Wait for the message. Every time you hit the submit button, you display, you see a message box. This is a complete message box, complete task completed message box, parameter updated successfully, okay, then exit, yes, and see the magic, see the animations. Earlier it was a Groton and then now it's converted to spinner. See, now if you want to change this animation also, add animation, go here, zoom, okay, submit, wait for the message, okay, exit, yes, see the magic, see the magic. This is the zoom animation. So you can enter 30 animation from here and also here, okay. You can do lot of things from here. Resize graphics, that means you can change this size, you can make it small also, okay. And speed up animation, I will show you. Move up, speed up animation, you see the animation here. If you like this is the slow, then you have a option to speed up animations, go here. This the default value is 23, it already selected, okay. So speed up, use for speed up, use a value less than 23, don't enter 12 or 13, it's better to enter 19, 20, okay. So I make it 19, okay. Please enter the total blocks and card number, this is 30 block card number, okay. Wait for the message, update successfully, you run the animation, see, running fast from the previous, okay. So speed up animation, want to change, just press undo button. So there are a lot of things you can control from the dashboard. Resize graphic, generate HD video, last I will show you last. Delete cards and blocks, you can delete any cards or blocks. So this is 30 card blocks, and if you want to make a 21 or 22 blocks, then you have to delete manually every block. This is tedious, you can delete from here directly. Please enter the actual block number, actual block 30. Now please enter the how many blocks or cards you want to create. Now your final block, I want to make it 22 presentations, okay, enter 22, okay, update successfully. Now you can see from here, see 22, okay, earlier it was 30, graphic 22, the last graphic, undo, you see there will be 30, graphic 30, okay. So you can easily do from this dashboard, this is a great. And change background color, you can change the background color, okay. If you don't like the black background, you can change according to your requirement. From this black, it's looking good to black background. If your color is different, then you can change the background color also. Now see, change text case, it's a good, change text case, okay. Now if you want to change this text, uppercase, it's a lowercase. So lowercase, uppercase, title case and sentence. I make an example here. Now this is text box rectangle middle hai. This is text box rectangle middle. Select this, card distance block 30, it's lowercase default, I make it uppercase, see the magic, it's all uppercase, okay. So you don't need to go to Excel sheet and do all this job, okay. go to every word and make it capital or uppercase. Now change case and change background color, resize text box. Okay, there is a all resize text box. I'll show you. Oh no, not where it speed text box, move up, save, resize font. Okay, resize font color. Okay, now you see this is the font size, it is the maximum font size. Now if you want to change the font size bigger than this default, you simply select the don't auto fit. Now I will show you. I change that this hexagon text box hexa middle, this is 27, this is 66, I want to give it 90, bold yes, block, this is submit, let's make bigger, see this is bigger. Okay, big block. So everything you can change from the dashboard, just a click on a button. Bas import data to block when you insert your data from Excel sheet. It's simple. Okay, this is the power of this dashboard. So please go for it. Thanks.